Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Central Europe and a neighbor to Austria, Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, and Ukraine. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Slovakia, 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 Slovakia. Slovakia is known for its picturesque landscapes, medieval castles, and mountainous terrains. It also famous for its rich folk traditions and delicious cuisines. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Slovakia, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.